Hi, Andrew. Sorry for the slow reply here, but yeah, to do the coding bat, to click on the links on the Schoology page to get to the right coding bat activity, and then to make it so that I can see that you've done it, you log in up here. So you'll need to do create an account first. It's really straightforward. You just use your school email and then do a password, and that's it. Unfortunately, you can't use your lunch number because I think it has to be 6 digits long. So I don't know if you want to do some kids said do your lunch number twice. That's maybe not a bad way to do it. But anyways, create your account, use a password that you can remember. They have a way to, retrieve your password if you forget. But um, anyway, so then once you're in, so I want to log into my account here. If you go under prefs, there'll be a spot to do teacher share. Sorry, it's kind of cut off here a little bit, but go to teacher share and then just type my email address. And then you'll show up in my class. So just type my email address there and hit share, and then that's all you got to do, right? And then whenever you're logged into your account, you'll get credit for doing them. So I think that should be it. Let me know if you have any further questions or if you need help with the coding bats. Have a good day.